Welcome back to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. In today's video, we're exploring the latest kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience and elevate your smart home setup. From the links in the description box below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. These gadgets are must-haves for any modern kitchen. Let's dive in. Number 1. Pizza Cutter Stainless Steel. This pizza cutter features a sharp stainless steel blade designed for cutting through sandwiches, pastries and cakes effortlessly. The wheel-type cutter is not only effective, but also easy to handle, making it an essential kitchen accessory for any home chef. Its sleek design ensures smooth operation and precise cuts every time. Number 2. Over-the-Sink Grey Dish Drying Rack. The Over-the-Sink Dish Drying Rack is a versatile kitchen tool that maximizes counter space. Designed to lay flat across your sink, it allows you to rinse produce and dry dishes without creating a mess on your countertops. Made from sturdy stainless steel, this rack can hold up to 85 IBS and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 3. Stainless Steel Filter Spoon and Clip. This 2-in-1 stainless steel filter spoon serves as both a cooking tong and an oil filter, making it perfect for deep frying tasks. Its ergonomic design features a non-slip handle for comfortable grip and control. The spoon's hollow-out design allows excess oil to drain away easily while securely holding food items. Number 4. Corn Cutter Unbreakable. The corn cutter is an innovative gadget designed to strip kernels from corn cobs effortlessly. With its unbreakable construction and stainless steel blades, it ensures durability while providing a safe hand protector during use. This mini circular thresher simplifies the process of preparing corn for various dishes in your kitchen. Number 5. Dish Drying Mat. The dish drying mat is designed to absorb water efficiently, keeping your countertops dry after washing dishes. Its large size provides ample space for drying utensils, while its non-slip backing prevents slipping during use. Easy to clean and store, this mat can be cut to fit any space in your kitchen. Number 6. Fridge Storage Containers Pack of 6. These fridge storage containers come in a pack of 6 and are perfect for organizing fruits and vegetables in your refrigerator. Each container features a removable drain plate and secure sealing lids to keep food fresher for longer. Their stackable design maximizes space while ensuring easy access to your stored items. Number 7. Premium Oil Dispenser Bottle with Silicone Brush. The Premium Oil Dispenser Bottle is a leak-proof container that holds up oil, complete with a silicone brush for easy application during cooking or grilling. Its transparent design allows you to see the contents at a glance, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen essentials. Number 8. Retractable Gap Dust Cleaner. This retractable gap dust cleaner is perfect for reaching those hard-to-clean areas under appliances or furniture. Featuring a microfiber duster with an extension pole, it effectively captures dust and debris without scratching surfaces. This tool makes household cleaning more efficient and less strenuous. Number 9. 2-in-1 Kitchen Vegetable and Fruit Peeler. The 2-in-1 vegetable and fruit peeler boasts stainless steel blades with both julienne and serrated options, allowing for versatile peeling tasks. Its double-edged swivel design enables bidirectional peeling, making food prep quicker and easier while reducing waste in the kitchen. Number 10. Kitchen Mats. These waterproof memory foam kitchen mats provide comfort while standing during meal prep or dishwashing. Designed with non-slip backing, they prevent accidents in the kitchen while offering support for tired feet. Their stylish design enhances the look of any kitchen decor while being easy to clean. Some of the most exciting kitchen gadgets that will revolutionize your cooking experience. Which gadget are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more innovative tech reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.